don't know if you guys can see it or not. Let's see if he reaches. There he goes. It's on the other side of the bridge there. It's a little river otter. It's actually pretty big. It's probably a good 4 or 5 feet long. Let's see if he comes up out of the water. You see him over there? What's he got? Ooh, got himself looks like a carp. There he goes. That was cool. Alright, so today I want to take you to the north side of this bridge here, fish the northern end of Shingle Creek. The middle school is over here, and as you see, this boardwalk is where you can come in. Again, you can only park there during non-school hours, which is after 4:30, holidays and weekends. So when we get up here, it's a lot more weedy than the southern part of Shingle Creek. The water's cold today. This is going to be the first day where it's going to get into the 70s in probably about a week. So I'm hoping it's not going to be a bust, but we'll find out. So let's give it a shot. So the northern part of Shingle Creek has a lot of weedy areas. So it's really hard to fish in the summer when the water's up. Like the water would normally be about 2 or 3 feet higher. And you really can't access it from the shoreline as well unless you get in the water. And I'm not doing that. But you can see there's a lot of grass here. And what you want to do, if you get the chance, is to target the pockets in between the grass, because that's what bass will use as ambush points. So, I've tried a couple places this morning on the way up to the bridge, and I had no hits whatsoever. I saw a couple bass, pooped a couple. So I'm hoping that it's not so cold that the fish aren't hitting. It's supposed to warm up to about 70 today. It's nice out right now, but the water still may be cold from the last few days. So let's give it a shot and see what happens. Finally. This is the dinkiest of dinks. For Dorset though, he came out. I watched him swim out of the weeds on the edge, and he just nailed it. Looks like a lot of these bass are up shallow. There we go. It's not big, but he's a better one. I'll take it on a day like today. Come on, play out. Oh, right in the bottom. Alright, still a dink. Sorry for the dink fest, guys. I have no idea what to do to get the bigger ones to hit, or even where they're at right now. But let's get back in the water. Catch some more. Hopefully he's got a big brother over there, or a big mama. I think a lot of it too is the water's so clear and the sun's so high. I'm fishing early morning like I was, that all these fish see me before I get down to the water. Right, there's that other one. The other one is definitely moving around. Definitely might be looking for food, might be hunting. I gotta get this down there. It's not the one I wanted, but I'm gonna take it. Because it's that kind of day. Look, he's kind of chunky. Oh, definitely better fish than the other two. Again, hook set, bottom of the mouth. You guys can see this or not? The deer crossing over there. It's a doe. This is why I like this place. Plenty of wildlife. down. It was walking back up over there. Alright, let's get this chunky little dude back in the water. So they are feeding. They might start feeding even better here in a little bit, just because the sun's up and it's warming up the water. These fish are cold. So. Alright guys, this is it. This is the end of the Shingle Creek trailhead. You can go that way and come out at one of the Hunters Creek communities. This up here is private property. It's a long hike, and man, today was tough fishing. So we're gonna see if we can't catch a few more here. This bridge is a very popular spot to fish. I got a big old crow's nest I gotta get rid of. So let's see if we can't catch a few more. Oh, it came off. It was real little. He was not big at all. In fact, I don't even know if he had the whole bait. I've seen people fish these ponds on either side of the power line here. I don't know if there's anything. I've seen sunfish. We're gonna take a look. I mean, what's the worst case to happen? Worst thing that's gonna happen is no fish. There's a ton of. There's bass in here. Alright, let's see if we can catch one. Looks like most of them are tiny. Big old bluegill. Trying to. Alright guys, I'm gonna head out now. Beautiful day out. The fishing was really tough. I had a couple fish that just slammed the bait, and then a bunch of them that just would not touch it, or just barely pick it up. Saw a deer, an otter. Great day to see some wildlife. So I'm gonna head out now. This is the north side of Shingle Creek again. It's not really fishable in the summer when the water's high, but during the winter when the water's low, you can totally fish it. I'm gonna hit a couple spots on the way back, see if I can't catch a big one, and we'll see what happens from there. But stay tuned. If you want to catch more videos, I think the next stop I'm going to be is either Lake Underhill or Lake Ivanhoe. We'll see if the spawn is on, and if it is, then we'll see if I can't catch some fish. If it's not, then again, we'll see if I can't catch some fish. Oh my gosh. That was a good fish. Nailed it. Let's see if not expecting that. Oh, I didn't even know he had it. That one was not the same fish, but I didn't even know he had it. I thought it was snag. That's how finicky they are today with the pickup. Doesn't help that I don't have much room where I'm standing right now to set the hook. There we go. Play on that current. Let's get him up here. Oop. Yeah, this guy was not getting away. Alright, a healthy one, but he's not very big. It's chunky. It's not the one I'm looking for, though. This is one place I did want to make a stop, where we missed that big bowfin the last time we were here. I don't want to catch him, but I want to see if something else has moved into that spot. So, wow, that's a big sunfish right there. Find out. probably the biggest one of the day right there. This is a good one. Stay on. There we go. Alright. Solid fish. That's a good fish. He's probably close to 2. Oh, that wasn't very graceful.